Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Having these tools handy will make the process smoother as you work on your MSI MS17F3 laptop. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's important to work safely. Next, carefully remove the battery by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. This will prevent any accidental power on during the repair. Once the battery is out, locate the screws securing the back panel of your laptop. Generally, there are around 6 to 8 screws you'll need to remove. Keep these screws organized. A magnetic mat can be very helpful for this. Now, using the plastic spudger, gently pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This is a good chance to ensure your laptop stays in optimal condition. Next, locate the keyboard connector. You'll see a ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Carefully detach this cable using the tweezers to avoid any damage. If you encounter difficulty, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help assess any issues you may be facing. Now, to replace the keyboard, remove the screws securing it. Typically, there are 4 screws located above the function keys. Once these are removed, gently lift the keyboard away from the chassis. Be cautious as there may be additional connectors attached to the keyboard. For those who aren't comfortable with these steps, keep in mind that we provide a pickup and delivery service at your home. This means you can send your laptop in for repair without any hassle, no calls, no travel. With the old keyboard removed, take your new keyboard and align it properly. Connect the ribbon cable back to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Then, screw the keyboard back into position with the screws you previously removed. Now, let's move on to the charger connector. Identify the connector that is typically located near the power input port. You may need to remove additional screws or brackets to access it fully. If you feel overwhelmed at this point, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Disconnect the old charger connector from the motherboard and replace it with the new one, making sure all connections are secure. After you've done this, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Begin by reattaching the back panel, ensuring all clips snap into place. Finally, replace the battery and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your laptop to check if the new keyboard and charger connector are functioning properly. If everything is in order, you have completed the replacement successfully. If you encounter any issues during or after your repair, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, we are here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.